Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you about how can you learn Python quickly and easily. Many people try to learn coding by watching YouTube tutorials, YouTube videos such as Code with Eric, Coding Academy, Free Coding Academy. Okay, these are the best way to learn coding. But I have learned coding Python like a little bit different. I never watch video at starting to learn Python. I simply go to ww3 school and I have learned a basic from YouTube and basic from there. Okay, I have done multiple Coursera, like Google one, IBM one, many university one. So I have more than pretty of than 5-6 certificate from Udemy and Coursera, like that. You can learn coding. In this video I'm going to teach you about how can you learn coding as easily. If I want to go back and say myself how to learn coding, so this video will help you. Okay, first of all, don't listen to anyone while learning coding. It is difficult to understand the prompt, basic syntax. Okay, I'm not talking about simply Python. This video may help you in different form of coding, such as in Java, JavaScript, SQL. Don't worry if you don't know any programming, I'll teach you from the basic. Okay, how can you learn that programming and how can you master that programming. How I learned the program. like um I don't know anything much about Python at the starting. Okay, nobody knows. I never watched the long video 2-3 hours continuously. Just what I learned the basic concept from W3 school and YouTube. Just basic. What are the syntax, loop, just loop and function. No need to go for other something. Simply you can search on Google www.github.com and you can see a bunch of project in GitHub already. As I first pick up my project in Python, it was that website, automation website. Okay, from backend. Then I pasted the code in the my VS code. Okay, then I learned from this project only by taking by learning from projects such as you can see what this line does. It does not mean by watching you cannot learn anything. Okay, by watching simply continuously giving 2 3 4 hours you cannot learn anything. First, my recommendation to you, go take a project and work with that. If you see a project, try to understand the line by line. Okay, don't copy and paste, don't change the, try to understand what does this code means. You can see there the line of the line from the starting to ending. What does it mean? What does define function do? What does this do? What does this do? If you think like that, by searching on ChatGPT you can my best opinion to learn code, that no need to understand the code. Okay, first of all, printing hello world, no, you can just be dumb. You don't know anything, does not matter. Nobody can understand something. Like if I used to do, I never like I have done a little bit program in Java. I never read the Java public like hello world printing, that 2-3 line code. Simply I go to Java documentation, learning Java org, learning Python org. Here you can find their main program. Okay, you can just copy it out that program and paste. No need to learn the coding, no need to remember the coding. Many people do just remember the function and again and again like a loop. Okay, don't learn the program like that by memorizing the code. Oh, the syntax does the syntax does. You can keep on practice. Okay, you can solve lead code. Okay, you can do DSS. I'll provide you some link that will help you to understand the more. Okay, such you can go website. Okay, no need this video might be helpful for you or not. Okay, this is my opinion. So build your own project. And five way to learn programming is that, first of all, watch YouTube videos. Okay, if you like to watch, you can use documentation video. Okay, build and simple project by watching. You can, at first no one can build a large project. You can watch other videos and copy paste the program. Okay, after you completed the first level, then you can go to another level by creating your own project simply. just creating your own project, does not understand what that project means. No, nothing happened. So I'm going to start the Python classes soon. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. I'll start the Python what from the basic. Okay, thank you.